short and simplified. Today we will have dictation on lecture 10 and 11. So start.
Come, palm, at, add, path, pal, pack, back, bath, attack, attach, tank, bank, damage, shadow, catch, cash, gang, among, map, away, lack, manage, annum, package, saw, paw, ball, bought, talk, tall, auto, chalk, jaw, law, top, odd, doll, dog, job, off, shock, shop, got, lodge, lock, long, knock, watch, wash, for, an, off, on, head, on the, but the, get, enough, Monday, engage, month, envelope, cup, leg, debt, coal, take. Who will come to fetch the cash? We shall be at the bank at 2. We know the debt was paid. The check was given to him long ago. We saw them at the shop. They bought a ball for Jack. They got a doll for Anne too. May we have a check for the bag bought on the 10th of May? We know they had a long talk, but we think they will give him no cash. They say Bob owes the debt, but the watch was paid for on the 10th. We think the chalk may damage the bag. No, it will come off. Wash it off. Ask Paul to attach a tag to the top of the bag. We shall check the damage to the boat. The tall lad was paid £5 a day to watch the shop. The lake was calm, so we came back on the boat. It was an odd thing to do, but it was a shame to laugh at him. Which of them saw the lad take the package back to the shop? Paul may manage to show them the way to do the job. We know they will be at the game, but they will come back for the show. We think they take too long to do the job. We have usually given the job to them, but we may make a change. They will pay for the damage to the tank, but we think they will ask for a delay. We had no cash to pay him at the shop, so a check was given to him. Pam had to take a long way, but saw the game. They will be at the show, which will be given on 29th May. It will be on a Monday. We shall get enough cash at the bank to pay both of them for the job. Usually, we engage a bungalow at the lake for a month. A wage they paid was too low, so Tom had to give up the job. We know the debt was unpaid, but they had no cash. Who will aid Anna to get the mail for Beth off at 2? We think they will take the boat for Canada on Monday, 12th May. The envelope for the mail was on the top of the pad. We shall have to ask him to pay for damage to the gate. We saw them at the game, which was on Monday, a 10th of the month.
So this was the dictation. Practice this dictation as many times as possible, and then only you go move on to next video. Thank you.